Our feet are meant to have exposure to the natural environment, meaning air, fire, soil or earth, and water. Wearing socks and shoes, closed shoes for that matter, prevents this natural phenomenon. Feet trapped in socks and shoes, especially in hot, humid tropical climates, are prone to sweating, fungal infections, odor, or skin irritation. Allowing feet to breathe reduces moisture buildup and therefore promoting healthier skin and nails. Remember, shoes restrict the natural foot movement and can cause weakened arches, the bunions, or poor circulation. Going sometimes barefoot improves balance and enhances proprioception. Proprioception is the